High winds are fueling a 400-acre fire in Bastrop County. The fire grew from 50 acres and is only 10% contained. The Hudson fire sparked shortly after noon today near Bastrop State Park. That's just 8 miles east of Bastrop. Officials tell us smoke from the fire is starting to settle and is expected to get worse throughout the night. Some people have already been told to evacuate.
Pretty nervous. Definitely more concerned about them than the material stuff over there. It's like a mile. I was a little frustrated that they wouldn't let me through because it's less than a mile up the road from here.
Officials are working with animal services and AgriLife to make a plan for the animals.